Hey guys, Ron here with Rising Sun Properties. This is another resort style property in the Atami area in Shizuoka. It has a beautiful bath, as you'll see in the video, two toilets, log cabin style vacation home. It's in the resort area and a really great kind of property to consider. This property has been sold already, so 100% transparency on that, but I do want to show you this to kind of show what kind of properties are out there. Resort properties aren't for everybody. That's completely fine. A lot of people complain about the ongoing fees and stuff like that. It's kind of like a condo. If you buy a condo in Japan, you will have ongoing monthly fees. Same thing for the resort properties, but the management company does help maintain it. They take care of trash, they take care of septic, all these kind of things. So if it fits your style and your criteria, then they can be a really good buy. I think this is a very good example of such a property that you should consider buying. It's 6.8 million, I think about 43,000 USD at the current exchange, and a really beautiful, fantastic property. You will need to drive. There is parking here. So if I missed some details about the property, please forgive me. It's hard to cover everything. But if you have questions, just put them in the comments or email me directly. WhatsApp as well is completely fine. So thank you so much for following the channel and enjoy the tour. As I mentioned, this home has been sold already. This is a resort property. You can see some people playing tennis despite the rain. And here's the home. Hard to get a good picture because it is encompassed by the trees, but it's a pretty cool location. 6.8 million yen, 43,000 USD, two-story, 2 LDK, built in 1980, 130 square meters inside, 580 total. It is quite far from Atami Station, 13 kilometers, 8 miles. There's parking. You definitely need to drive. Cool little bell. Here's the entranceway. It's kind of a garage, and then you see that garage comes into the entrance here, the Genkan area, and another storage kind of washroom back here to the left. The items in this home have been removed or will be removed by the owner, which is very nice. And there are two toilets. These kind of properties have gone up in popularity. The resort property isn't for everybody, but they can be attractive. They're managed and maintained by the management company. There are some overhead costs, monthly and yearly. It's kind of hard to say exactly what those costs are because they can depend on each home. This one does have a beautiful bathtub, as you'll see here in the video. You can connect the onsen water. It is quite costly to do so, something like $8,000, I think. So not everybody chooses to do that. Sometimes it's optional, sometimes it's not. Again, it's hard to share the exact details of what you can expect because we just have to look at each individual property itself. And it's only 2 rooms, but it feels really spacious. It has that kind of wooden cabin holiday home feel. Built in 1980, but it does seem to be in pretty dang good condition. There's high ceilings and a balcony. The sun was peeking out a little bit there. Was a rainy day. And I can see why our client decided to move forward with this property. It is far from the station. You would need to drive, but this bathtub alone makes it look quite attractive. Water and electricity was on. That's always a great thing. And here is the bathtub. So you have this very nice shower area and this very deep bath. My parents are actually in town right now from Kansas visiting, and they are really enjoying their Japanese style shower. It's much different than American, much more comfortable just to have some room and be able to stand up and move around in the shower. And you can see how the bath fills up here. It's pretty cool aesthetically, and lots of room in there. Second bedroom is up to the right and the living and kitchen up to the left. Here to the right is another closet storage area. And the second toilet in the home is located here. Everything was flushing and working properly. One of those properties that you don't seem to really need to worry too much about the electricity, plumbing, things of that nature. Here's a tatami room, that kind of stucco wall that you see in a lot of these homes, that green color, that's common. And again, this room looked to be in really good condition. It's a tea room, so that's for some tea ceremonies. Got the bay window. Has a really good feel in this home. Here's the back balcony. See, it does have some privacy with the bamboo there. Coming out of the room, there are these double doors that are built to separate the living room and kitchen. This actually does have a fireplace, an actual wood burning fireplace, which is very rare to see in Japan and nice to have. I lived in several homes in America with a wood burning fireplace, and they're always a nice addition. There you can see it there. Again, higher ceilings, makes it feel very spacious. Was a pretty busy day and my gimbal lost power, so the video might seem a little bit rushed. I do apologize about that. Just some nice woodwork in the home. Here's the kitchen. Again, all the stuff will be removed. Hard to see exactly what it would feel like without all the stuff in there, but it would really open it up. And it does have some room in the kitchen for a bigger refrigerator and some drawers you might want to put in there. Got a couple above and below, as you can see. But these kind of properties are out there. We just have to search. Chances are, if you see a property on the channel, it may have been sold already. You know, these homes don't really last long, especially the good ones. So if you want to get ahead of the curve, it's best just to work with a real estate agent like ourselves to search. You know, once you see the property online, someone's going to get there and it's probably going to be gone. So if you're the first one to get there, you have a much better chance at getting the property for yourself. And as you can see, this area is very beautiful, lots of mountains. The Atami Shizuoka area I've gone to quite a bit in the last couple years. Thank you for watching this video. Please reach out if you are interested in purchasing property in Japan. We can help from search to close. Have a great day and see you next time.